Hi, my name is Annette and today we're at the docks in Leeds and we'll be reviewing the Omni filters from Lensbaby and we'll be taking some portraits with them. So I'm here today with Lucy, who'll be doing some modelling for us today, and I've been shooting with these filters for a while and I think this one's my favourite ones. The reason being is it's subtle enough to create a nice soft effect in sort of the corner of your image, and it's not really as overpowering as the other ones, and there's quite a bit of flexibility with it to create nice soft portraits. So I've been shooting Lucy with these filters for a while now and I actually do quite like them. I think they're a nice addition to shooting portraits, weddings, maybe some detail shots as well. And the thing I like about these is they're really easy to attach and to work with them. So what you do is you just take the filter, you put it on your lens and you have 4 metallic attachments and you just attach the filters very easily and they just stay there and you can shoot without having to worry of holding something in front of your lens and then maybe missing the focus or not getting the composition correct. So previously, to achieve this kind of effect, I would take a large prism and just put it in front of the lens, and the issue I had was trying to shoot with one hand, trying to get the focus right and also try and get a nice reflection at the same time. And I find with these filters it's a lot easier because you just adjust exactly where you want the filter to be and then you can use both your hands and just get the composition right for the filter. So thank you for watching our video and we hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please hit like and subscribe and hopefully we'll see you again next time soon.